Hello guys, and welcome to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change video speed in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. To increase this video speed, all you need to do is to highlight your clip over here. Next, move over to your top right section over here and select Inspector. Next, make sure that your video tab over here is selected. And there are meant to be some other options over here. If you don't see them, just select anywhere in your timeline to reveal the speed change property over here. Now what you want to do is to increase the value for the change speed if you're trying to fast forward the clip, or reduce the value if you're trying to slow down the clip. So this is at 100% right now, so I'm going to change this to 200%. And you'll notice that the length of the clip here has become shorter. So if I go back now and hit play, you can see that this clip is way faster than what it was before. Now to slow down this clip, you can always hit Ctrl Z to undo, and you can see that the length has gone back to its original and the speed has gone back to 100. Now to slow down this clip, all we need to do is to bring it down to 50%. This will slow down the clip by half its original speed. So if I go back now and hit play, you can see what we have now. And that's it guys on how to change the speed of a video clip in Davinci Resolve. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.